Your...
I told you that's
Oh. Sorry.
Yeah.
About thank you.
Sabi niya, ang bigyan niya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Sorry. Ganyan, sorry.
Please.
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 Kala ko yan, hungry.
Oh.
Kaya nga, please. Please, nanay. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Paano kayo hungry?
Paano mo pag sabi ng pangalan?
My people said that. Tita Tatu this.
Ay, ito. Mine.
Yeah. What's that
Ito.
means?
So yours.
It's me.
Then ano
Hello.
kita? What's your name?
Hello ba yun?
Yeah.
Hello ba yung ganun? Di ba help yun?
Hello.
Ah, hello pa.
Ay, dito hello. Goodbye. Hello.
Ay, ganun. Nakala ko help yun. Ganun. Goodbye.
Na yun yun, no? Sa babae, di ba pag emergency kasi?
Oo, ganun nga.
So,
Emergency.
oh.
How about hello,
Ay, mga
Gabi?
babae pag
How to
may-
say hello? You can say hello. Hello.
Ganun.
I can say hello pala, ganun. How about hi?
Isa
Hi.
lang, isa lang. Ay.
Ayan, ano yan?
Hi.
It's goodbye.
Oh my gosh, what I need to do with that? I just eat. I just do the stuff I eat.
That's why they can talk properly when they're eating.
It's
Because they're using their hands.
it's goodbye pala. How to say goodbye?
Ano yung summer?
How to say sorry?
Yung summer, yung bibisip.
Sorry. Ganyan na, sorry tita?
Parehas sila pala, okay.
Ha, ano lang?
Sorry again daw, say sorry. Say thank you. Oh. Ang galing.
Pagkakiyot.
Thank you. Say,
Here, it's
say, ano ba?
please.
Say please.
Same pala yun? Thank you, mismo ganun.
Thank you yan.
Thank you, Ben.
Sa Korean
Please.
yun,
Yan, please.
Yung iba pala lang din yung sila. Ibang gesture.